Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. We're heading up Parker Dam Road, up towards the dam. Isn't this scenic? There's a mighty Colorado right on the right. We're on the California side. We're gonna go up to Black Meadow Landing. It's a RV park and resort right on Lake Havasu. Okay, see all the big power lines and towers? Right there's the dam. But we're not going to cross yet. We're going to make a left. Actually, it's a few miles back off Parker Dam Road. I'm thinking like 8 to 10 miles, somewhere in there. We're going to make a left right here. Here's the sign. 10 miles. It's a scenic drive. I've been back here. It's been a couple years since I've been back here. But it's pretty. We're gonna wind up this little mountain grade here. Look at the big palms. They're happy. They got all the water in the world. This is part of the pumping system for the aqueduct too. Look at the color of the rock. Look at all the towers. Wonder how they get up there. Cell towers everywhere anymore. You know, that 5G stuff's supposed to be starting pretty soon too. Be interesting to see how that works out. Hoping it does. Be faster internet. I'm sure they'll charge for it though. Okay, this little road to the right that leads back into part of their pumping system. And we're almost up top. I know there's a little lake or reservoir or something up here. Hopefully I'll find a place we can pull off, fly the drone. Here we go. We made it. We're up top. We still got a few miles till we get to Black Meadow. Now off to the left, see those pipes going up the hill there? That's how they get the water going in that aqueduct. What's it? Gene pumping plant. So let me get up here. That sign that said 7 miles to Black Meadow. Okay, I'll pull off, get past these power lines here. Let me get on the other side of them, get set up. We'll launch a drone real quick, just get a quick aerial of this area here. Up we go. Wow, look at all the pipes. Look how big they are. They pump it all the way over these mountains here. That water goes all the way into California, or to LA. We're in California. Duh. But look at that. They got a whole facility there. They got housing. Look at the pipes laying across the ground there. There's their pumping plant. Looks like a swimming pool. Tennis court. Okay, here's our reservoir. Gene Reservoir, I guess. Now look straight out. There's Lake Havasu down there. So I guess they pump it up in stages. That's a pretty big reservoir. All the roads say no trespassing. So, probably all government land. Okay, one last look. There you go. There's Gene Reservoir and pumping plant. Kind of wonder how the millions of gallons that thing processes, huh? Been there a long time, I bet. So with the housing, I guess they, never realized there was that much housing there. Pretty place though. All right, let's get landed and get on the road. Well, that was cool. I didn't realize that many people lived up in there. But I guess they got to run it 24 hours a day, so that makes sense. Well, I remember the farther we go, the rougher the road gets. It's all paved, but it gets pretty rough back here. It was either 2 or 3 years ago I came back here, and you can find the spring flowers bloom back in here. Okay, off to the left. Yeah, here's where the road gets rough. Look, 4 miles, sign said, to the Black Meadow. But the road gets a little rougher. Wow, look at this. I bet in heavy rains, look at the gutter on the left-hand side. I bet heavy rains, the water really roars through here. Okay, up here to the left, that dirt road, there's actually a mobile home park you can get. It's like 6 miles. Huh. Not in a van. Alright, we're winding down. We're gonna be right down on Lake Havasu here shortly. Hey, check it out. A couple of ladies are hanging Christmas ornaments on a bush. Ho ho ho. Alright. Nice. Okay, here we are, Black Meadow Landing. Let me pull off here a little bit. Get a little shot of the sign here. Black Meadow Landing. Once again, we're in California. This is not Arizona side. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to park up here, go and get a pass, and then I'll be right back. All vehicles must register. Alright, let's go on in, see what we got. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name's Dion. And you are here at Black Meadows Landing in Parker Dam, California.
Okay, and this is a big old RV park?
We have 400 sites. We have waterfront, 50 amp, golf course, horseshoes. We have a dance hall, bingo, a diner, a store, a marina. Okay.
And you told me you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I do.
What's the name of it?
The name of my channel is Misfits Adventures. MSFITZS Adventures.
And what's it about?
We are work camping vloggers. We have traveled the state of California work camping our way around.
Nice. Okay, then what's your favorite YouTube channel?
RVerTV.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, too cool. Another YouTuber. Be sure to check out her channel, Misfits Adventures. Get over there and subscribe, like right now. All right, I'll put a link down in there too. All right, away we go. I was here actually twice. I've never stayed here. I just came back and filmed it. First time I just came back here. That was before I even started YouTube. But they got a ton of sites, and you'll see it. Big old motel up here on the left. They got a store. They sell food, gasoline. See, we're about what? It'd be about 10, 11 miles downstream from Lake Havasu before you get to Parker. So this is kind of a pit stop for boaters. They got a huge marina. See right there on the left? That's our motel. Cottages, whatever you want to call them. And as soon as we go around the corner here, it opens up. And you can see, well, there on the left is their diner, restaurant. Let's go out. They got like a little peninsula here. We'll go out and fly the drone. It'll give you a better idea. But you can park right along. Their rates are good. They're not bad here. It's just getting back in here. And before you ask, I got 2 bars on my cell phone. But the nice lady back there said that you almost really need a booster here if you're going to do any kind of internet. Because they have no cable or nothing here. It's kind of all by itself. Alright, well, let's drive out here in the island, get parked. Okay, this looks good. It's looking back at the mountain and Black Meadow. Okay, let me show you, to give you a perspective where we're at. Over there is Arizona, and straight across is cattails. We'll see it with the drone, but there's cattails, so if you remember, that's like 10 miles south of Havasu. But it is beautiful here. Look at it, secluded. Alright, drone time. Alright, up we go. That's looking off. There's cattails straight across the water. That's looking up towards the town of Lake Havasu City. And then swing around and check this out. Look how you can park right on the water. The average monthly fee here was less than $400 a month. Depends where you get. Closer to the water you get, the more cost. There's all their stores and marina. Now look up top, they got a golf course, a little tiny one. A little golf course up there. And you can park your rig up there. And check it out, Black Meadow Landing, huh? Definitely a boater's paradise here, and RV. If you have both, there you go. But there's looking straight across. There's cattails right there. That's cattail where we stopped over on the Arizona side. Straight across the water. But isn't it pretty here? I would definitely stay here. I think she quoted me depends what time of year and when you book. Like $340 to $370 a month, plus your electric. Overnight, I have no clue. But I heard the food's really good in the diner. They have a lot of activities. What she was talking about, the bingos and all their events. I bet some of them people have been coming here for years to get that site right there out here in the peninsula. They got quite a few slips there for boats. Jet skis, kayaks, canoes. Alright, well, let's get landed. I'll do a drive out of here. Anyway, there's Black Meadow Landing. Check it out. This would be a great place to spend a month or two in the wintertime here. Right on the lake, Lake Havasu. Okay. Alrighty, well, let me drive. See, now out here I got 3 bars on my phone, Verizon. She said it either had to be AT&T or Verizon. I'm sure Verizon's always the best. I bet up top where the golf course is, it's better reception too. Then let's check. Yep, it just lost a bar, getting closer in here. It still isn't bad for where we're at. I mean, we're quite a ways from anything here. They got Chevron fuel for all the boats. Look how they park right against the water there too. You're right there. Alright, let's swing around. Right up here in the right's our store. And marina. Probably got, you know, like milk and ice, beer, food. Who knows? And their boat docks. And their fuel. I don't see a price. But it's California. I bet it's up over $4 a gallon. Okay, here's the golf course. You can park right along there and get a golf ball right on your roof. Look at all the fence and netting they have for golf balls so you don't get hit. Yeah, I guess still worth it. They got picnic tables, looks like storage on the right, tons of storage here. Overall, great place. I mean, I'd definitely stay here, no problem. Very good rate too for California. Very, very good. Where else you gonna go on Lake Havasu for a facility like this? Looks like more storage. Looks like all their maintenance yard there. All right, we're out of here. Okay, make a left. Yep, this is the way we came in. See, now they got quite a few sites back here. I bet these are less money back here. To me, that'd be just good enough to be back here. I mean, it's nice to be on the water, but there's probably a waiting list for it up there too. Okay, I gotta stop up here and give them back their pass. But you can come in here for a day use. Eat at their restaurant and check it out before you decide if you want to come in here. That was no problem. All you gotta do is tell them, get your license plate number and stuff. Okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty. Yeah, she said there is a long waiting list to get up to that golf course. Let me let this pickup go by. She's in a hurry. Look at her go. Go, go, go. My goodness. Alright, well, there you go. Black Meadow. But yeah, there's a long waiting list to get up there in that golf course, I guess. Alright, we get to go across Parker Dam again. We're back on Parker Dam Road. And here it is. I know you've been waiting for it. Yay! Parker Dam. This creates Lake Havasu right here. You're going across it. Alright, let's run up to Havasu, see what I can film up there. Gotta be something. Alright, talk soon.